calves are the silliest things. They made it. She's like, yeah, I'm boss lady. Hey guys, it's a brand new day on Gillum Farms and I am Johnny, and today's kind of a special day. For one, this is the first actual time that I have gotten the dually out since I fixed it, the new center carrier bearing and stuff like that, and driven it a distance. I've driven it about 40 miles and doing great. So now, you may have seen Gordon and the heifer in a lot of our videos. A lot of people have asked why Gordon and the heifer are separated from the rest of the herd and things like that. Well, yesterday I noticed that the heifer was in, and she is in body condition enough to be bred. So I'm going to, and she is cycling, guys. She's cycling right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce her to Danny, the bull, today. So stay tuned, and we'll get those two together right here before Valentine's Day. So what I've got here today is I've got Gordon and the heifer. All right. Now Gordon is going to be our butcher steer. Okay, that's his job on the farm here. The heifer is cycling. She is needing to be bred. So I need to get her with Danny. So I've got to separate Gordon off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock him in the corral here. The other thing I would like to do is I'd like to get the 4 heifers they're going to calve just any time. I'd like to actually get them in another paddock. So ideally, Gordon will be in here. In this paddock, the Mean Girls paddock, he'll be in here. The bull and the heifers will be in the transition paddock, and the cattle will be in the pond paddock. That would be ideal. We'll see if I can make it happen, guys. So he's in there. The second thing of my plan has come to fruition. I've gotten the heifer. Now she is away from Gordon. Get all these cattle and introduce them to the heifer. Watch out, 20. You're going to be behind the gate. You're behind the gate. All right. All right. So, guys, come on. Come on. All right, here comes all the cows. They're going to meet this heifer. This heifer is the 21 heifer. She is actually Miracle's mom's last calf, is what she is. So we get Danny up here. And all will be right with the world. Then we can start separating again. The pecking order is being established here. Right there is the heifer, and she's been pushing around with 21 here. So that's actually, this is mama, and this is daughter from 2 years ago. I'm going to try to get them to come into this paddock because this is the best paddock to separate from, I have determined. It's always better to separate in here than it is anywhere else. Easier for me to handle that gate, separate cows. So I'm going to bring them in here. Sug, come on. Come on. Everybody's coming in. Much easier for me to separate right here on this hill. You guys going to have to be smarter than the fence, guys. Or the gate. You gotta be smarter than the gate. Be smarter than the gate, guys. But they ain't. And he thinks he can run down the... Oh my goodness. Sug! Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we go, having to teach these calves something. So, come on. Calves are the silliest things. So, come on. Now they're gonna run down them woods. Be crazy. Oh gosh. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Right up that fence, you'll figure it out. Hey, Danny Star. Going up that fence. Go on. You'll figure it out. Right through that gate. Right through that gate. Come on, go right through that gate. Ain't nothing to be afraid of. Sug, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, shoot. Come on. They made it. Oh, crazy thing. All right, now everybody's in. All right, I'm gonna let them calm down here for a minute, and then we're gonna start the tricking process. That's the heifer and the number 23 cow now. And Danny still has not been over here to check her out. He is concerned with stuffing his face right over there. So, yeah, he'll figure it out. And she's like, yeah, I'm boss lady. That's Patty. She is boss lady too. She is the one that will let you know right up. Here we go. Danny taking interest in the heifer right now. And that is the heifer. Wow, look at that. Whenever these cows whenever one comes in, they all just go crazy. So Danny's courting the heifer right now. He has took note that there's somebody new in the fold here. So he is just following her around because she is cycling right now. So she should have a calf after this, probably in November. And that's what I wanted. I wanted Danny to notice that heifer right there. And he has noticed her. And she is standing there letting him notice her, because she wants the bull too. And Danny looks massive compared to her. Yeah, he will stay with her till she's bred. See how windy it is, guys? Crazy windy. These crazy cows. This one right here is going to have a calf any second. Probably even closer now because everybody's been chasing her around. And there's Danny Starr. He's following in. So we got the whole crew in here following around. He is getting real close. Danny is getting real close to breeding this heifer. He's trying to figure out how to get her lined up. What a deal. Now Danny Starr trying to sneak in there, and Danny Starr being kind of like that third wheel, you know what I mean? he's just being the blocker, I guess you'd call it. But look at Danny. What a stud. Yeah. You're just running her off, Danny Starr. There's Danny. Hi, 19. Howdy. You're going to be a mama before long too, aren't you? Danny's just waiting on his moment. Look at the saliva coming out of Danny. You can see it flying all past him right here. Part of nature, guys. All right, guys, I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try it. So, come on. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to leave the heifers over there and get the cows over here. Come on. So, come on. So I need the white face. This cow right here, I need them in. I need those two to stay back. Go on. Go on through there. Go on through there. Go on through there. This will be good. Get you through there. Yeah, go on through there with Mama. There you go. Now go on through there. All right, you go on. All right, that's some of them that I wanted right there. So now I need 23. Go on. I need 23 to go through there. Need this one to go through. So go on. Go on. Go on, 23. You go right on in there. All right, there's that one. All right, I need 24 and 20. Sug, come on. Come on. I'm open this bag and feed them a little bit. Those eating. Now let's see if I can get some of these in. Come on, Sug. Come on, 24. Come on. All right. All the cows and the young calves in that paddock. So I've got everybody, those in the pond paddock. The bull and the heifers and Danny's Star are still up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get everybody out of the front paddock. I'm going to try to get the bull and the heifers, and I'm going to try to leave Danny's Star in there. All right, guys, I've done it. I've got Danny's Star in here. I've got Gordon in here. That's the only two who are in this paddock now. Oh, wow. So that's what I was trying to do. I was trading the heifer out for Danny's Star, but it took moving every cattle on the place at least twice to do this. So anyway, the ones that are left are Danny and the 5 heifers. So there's 5 heifers in this one because 4 of them are going to have calves at any time, and Danny is taking care of the other one. So that's all that's left in this paddock. So I've got Danny Star and Gordon right here. Got all the heifers and the bull right here. And I got all the big cows back there. Got them all split up. The one heifer, she is down there with the cattle. She's down there on this side of the fence. So anyway, hopefully these heifers will have these calves in this paddock right here. Wow, what a wind-blown day that was. I mean, it blew me around crazy. But anyway, driving the truck. Truck's doing really good since I've replaced that center carrier bearing. Actually, almost home now. I'm really happy with the way that all turned out, especially finding out that those U-joints were dry in it, and the bearings were all dried up. The grease was all dried up in the bearings, and it was just a failure waiting to happen on that. But anyway, got those calves all sorted out. Got the heifer with the bull, and he is very interested, as you can see from the video. So anyway, oh yeah, it's 70 degrees today, folks. 70. Can you believe that? 70 here in February, and supposed to get 3 inches of snow Sunday night. It's nuts. It is Thursday right now. But anyway, if you like this type of video, like, comment, subscribe. We'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless.